This morning we have ginger, cucumber, green apple, and lime. All of this we're going to put into the blender. All right. And this is the blender. That's the cucumber. That's the lime, green apple, ginger. All right, let's put everything inside of it. We're gonna put the remaining of the ingredients into the blender. Look at that. The blender is packed. All right. So look at that, guys. Yeah. So what you can do, let's put a little bit of water in it, not too much. All right. And then hopefully, yeah. That's it. So we're gonna blend that now, okay? Make a little bit of a noise. Let's see. Make sure it's tight. That looks delicious. And yeah, that looks amazing. That's the way it looks. And you guys can do the same thing now. Grab yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. It's available on Amazon. Okay, what we're gonna do, run it through our strainer. Lovely. Yeah. That looks amazing. For this, you don't have to throw this. You can eat this if you like to. All right. Yeah. But you guys can see that there at least 10% is inside of the juice. So with a simple pour it out like that. Excellent. So you want to drink this in the morning or whatever time is great for you. You can drink it during the day, whatever time. Very powerful and effective juice, which I will encourage you guys to make at home. If you're interested in good stuff and healthy stuff, this goes on really well for you. All right, very good for cold and cleanse and detoxing of your body. So here to go again, one more healthy juice from Chef Ricardo. Stay blessed, and I will be giving you guys another recipe tomorrow morning again. So please join my live stream, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and support the progress what you are supporting with you guys to do the same thing at home. A good vibes. Let's do it. We can do it, man. All right, guys. guys, as you can see. Look at that, amazing and fantastic. Beautiful juice with you guys this morning. So yeah, have fun, man. Enjoy it. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And that's my book, From Poverty to Purpose. Stay blessed. I'll catch you with the next one. Bye bye for now.